Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Seltos SX Turbo all-wheel drive, finished in Star Bright Yellow, which is extremely similar to BMW's Austin Yellow. 29,840. The wind is terrible today, so I don't even know if I'm gonna go to the, well, real quick. The back of the car, SXT GDI. Get me inside, get me inside, get me inside. Comfort. You can see the speakers all have like these ridges and stuff like that. It's really, really cool. Very unique. Have auto hold engaged, so whenever you are sitting at a stoplight, it automatically presses the brake for you. Whoever prepped this didn't completely prep it. They did pretty good though. That was the only one they messed so far that I've seen. Oh no, come back here. I think this thing just came in. It says the PDI date. There's no way. Oh, 10/1. Whew! See, that I love. So you can turn on and off the light, but if you leave it on, when you push it up, it shuts the switch off. Because when it shuts, it just goes boop, shuts it right off. SX is the top of the line for the Seltos, so it comes with Sirius XM radio, the turbocharged, what is it, 2.0? No, it's a 1.6 with 175 horse, 195 pound-feet of torque. Bump it over into sport mode. The SX Turbo is fitted with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Kia calls it the quick shifting automatic. Pretty much is a quick shifting automatic, to put it in normal terms. It's basically an evolution of a manual transmission converted to be an automatic. Pretty much what it is. It's a manual with another clutch that the computer controls. I've driven a few Seltos models now, only driven the SX, I think 2 or 3 times, including today. Definitely my favorite of the bunch. Turbocharged motor is phenomenal. Most of the torque is very much down low. Though it does not stop pulling at upper RPMs, which is a complaint for a lot of other turbo models. They just tend to fall on their face at the upper RPMs, and no, this thing keeps on pulling. Seven-speed dual clutch, even when you try to trick it, stuff like that, try to find its elephant in the room, so to speak. A lot of people can complain that DCTs are very, very jerky around town. This, how do I put this? It just seems like a normal, very, very good torque converter auto. It doesn't have all the downfalls typical to a DCT. It creeps forward in traffic, it's not jerky. It does very, very good work. What I love about the Seltos is it handles like a big, tall car, even though that's the definition of what it is. Anyway, it doesn't compromise on handling. Of course, it's not as good as the Forte GT, but it never claimed to be. Compared to the base Seltos, it handles a lot better. Definitely has good mechanical grip, and the all-wheel drive plus the turbo really claw it out of corners, as I'll demonstrate here. It just claws its way through corners. You can also lock all-wheel drive on. Otherwise, it defaults to a front-biased system. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.